Welcome to We Are Ghanaians and thank you for joining us today. If you are searching for a modern home that combines comfort, smart design, flexible payments, and a refreshing coastal atmosphere, then you are in the right place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell notification so that each time you upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Today we will be taking you on a detailed tour of this beautiful 3-bedroom flat unit located in Abia, a property thoughtfully designed for both homeowners and investors. This is more than just a house, it's a lifestyle opportunity, and by the end of this video you understand exactly why. So relax, take your time, and let's explore this home together. Remember, this is We Are Ghanaians, bringing you nothing but the best in Ghanaian real estate and more. Thank you for subscribing. One of the first things that makes this property stand out is its location. Situated in Abia, this flat enjoys a calm, well-connected environment, perfect for families, professionals, and anyone looking for peace without being cut off from city life. A major highlight of this location is the natural sea breeze. Because this property is just few minutes drive from the beach, you enjoy cool, refreshing air flowing naturally through the home. This means less dependence on air conditioning, better ventilation, and a calmer, healthier living environment. Whether it's early morning or quiet evenings, the breeze adds a touch of serenity that's hard to find. This proximity to the beach also increases the long-term investment value of this property, making it ideal for both residential living and rental income. Now, let's talk about this property itself. This is a 3-bedroom flat unit priced at $150,000, designed with attention to comfort, privacy, and functionality. Each space in this home has been carefully planned to ensure proper flow, spacious movement, and practical everyday living. One of the strongest selling points of this home is privacy, because all 3 bedrooms come with their own private washrooms. That means no sharing, no inconvenience, just comfort and independence for every occupant. As you enter the home, you are welcome into a family hall downstairs. This space is designed for everyday living, a place where families gather, relax, watch TV, and spend quality time together. The layout allows for comfortable seating arrangements, entertainment setups, and easy movement without feeling cramped. Natural light flows beautifully into the space, and the open view makes it both welcoming and functional. This family hall creates a warm first impression, one that immediately feels like home. Still downstairs is located the kitchen. This kitchen is designed to be both functional and efficient, perfect for daily cooking, meals preparation, and family use. This layout allows for easy appliance replacement, smooth movement while cooking, and good ventilation. Whether you are preparing quick meals or hosting family dinner, this kitchen supports it all. It's positioned downstairs to maintain a clear separation between living, cooking, and private sleeping areas. Now, let's head upstairs. One of the standout features of this home is the big open hall upstairs. This space is incredibly versatile. It can be used as a private lounge, a family relaxation area, a home office, or even an entertainment or media space. This openness gives you freedom to design it however you want it. It's also ideal for quieter moments away from the activity downstairs, making it perfect for relaxation or focused work. Also located upstairs is the master bedroom, positioning the master bedroom upstairs as an extra layer of privacy and exclusivity. The room is spacious, comfortable, and designed to be a personal retreat. Like the other bedrooms, the master bedroom comes with its own private washroom, ensuring maximum convenience, personal comfort, and a luxury feel. With proper lighting, ventilation, and space, this master bedroom is ideal for rest and relaxation after a long day's work. Now let's talk about what truly makes this opportunity attractive: the payment plan. This 3-bedroom flat unit is priced at 150,000, but you don't have to pay everything upfront. You can pay just 30%, move in immediately, and spread the remaining balance over 2 years. This flexible structure makes ownership more accessible and investor friendly. Whether you're buying for personal use or rental income, this payment plan allows you to secure the property while managing your finances comfortably. To summarize, this property offers a 3-bedroom flat unit, all rooms en suite, a visitor's washroom downstairs, a kitchen and family hall downstairs, a master bedroom and large open hall upstairs, sea breeze and proximity to the beach, and a flexible 30% payment plan with move-in option. This is a home designed for comfort, lifestyle, and long-term value. If this property speaks to you, now is the time to act. Contact us today to book a private inspection or reserve your unit. Opportunities like this don't come around often. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you home. This is We All Ghanaians, bringing you nothing but the best in Ghanaian real estate and more. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell notification so that each time we upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. And mind you, some of the infrastructure haven't been fixed yet. Some of the toilet seats, the kitchen sink, and all haven't been fixed yet because we don't want it to wear off. We want you to initiate your plan of interest, and then we fix it for you so that you get everything with your choice and preference in mind. This is We Are Ghanaians. I hope you love every bit of this video, and I hope you have gotten every detail. For more information, you can contact the numbers on the screen to ask all your questions. And please, what do you see about this property? If this is something you love, don't forget to write a comment in the comment section, and also you can share this to as many people as you want. And one secret is that thankfully a very renowned politician has got one of this property, so you know the kind of neighbors you're gonna live with. Yes, this place is a very, very well planned area. There's electricity, there's water, there's sea breeze, and all that you need to make your living a comfortable and homely one. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have subscribed to the channel. I hope to see you soon. Until next time, it's goodbye, and see you again in the next video. Bye.